Click on the link below to get price. The large-capacity dehumidifier air purifier professional absorber with defrosting function is an impressive solution for anyone looking to enhance indoor air quality while effectively managing humidity levels. This device combines powerful dehumidification with air purification, making it an essential addition for homes in damp climates or areas prone to mold and mildew. From the moment I unboxed the dehumidifier, its robust design and user-friendly interface stood out. It has a large water tank that can hold a significant amount of moisture, allowing for extended operation without frequent emptying. The tank is easy to remove and features a spill-proof design, which greatly reduces the hassle of maintenance. The dehumidifier operates quietly, which is a crucial feature for those who want to maintain a peaceful environment. It efficiently reduces humidity levels, and I noticed a marked improvement in air quality within a few days of use. The built-in air purifier works in tandem, utilizing a multi-stage filtration system that captures dust, allergens, and odors, resulting in a fresher, cleaner atmosphere. One of the standout features is the defrosting function. This is particularly valuable during colder months, as it prevents ice buildup on the coils, ensuring optimal performance regardless of the temperature. The automatic shutoff feature also adds a layer of safety, as it activates when the water tank is full or when the desired humidity level is reached. Another advantage is its versatility. The sleek design allows it to blend into various home settings, whether in a living room, basement, or laundry area. The adjustable settings give users control over humidity levels, and the energy-efficient operation helps save on electricity bills. Overall, the large-capacity dehumidifier air purifier is an excellent investment for those seeking moisture control and improved air quality in their homes. Its combination of effectiveness, features, and energy efficiency makes it a top choice in the market.